Ahlan, Namaskar, Salam, and a big hello to all of you. Thank you for tuning in to watch High Life Dubai as we return to your TV screens with a whole new season of fashion, lifestyle, celebrities, and of course, travel. जितना प्यार और support आप सब ने हमें season 5 में दिया था, आशा है कि that will continue into season 6 too. Just as the city of Dubai is moving on the fast lane, our show too is moving along on a parallel road. और हम आपके लिए पेश करने जा रहे हैं दुबई के सबसे टॉप ऑफ द लाइन इवेंट्स, ब्रांड्स, पर्सनालिटीज, सेलिब्रिटीज और क्या कुछ नहीं. And on our season's premiere episode tonight, we have a big surprise for you. Get your brollies out because right now on High Life Dubai, we are giving you the gift of a lifetime, and that is an all-expenses paid holiday for two to the fashion capital of the world, London. And all this is courtesy our travel partners, Lama Holidays. We'll let you know how you can win this at the end of the show. So stay glued to the only show which not only shows you the high life, but also make sure that you live it. Welcome back to High Life Dubai. High Life Dubai ने पूरे 5 seasons complete किए हुए हैं, and since the last season was all about the power of 5, tonight we'll put the spotlight on the 5 main strengths of the show and of Dubai, the 5 areas of expertise that our city is best known for. अब तक तो साबित हो ही चुका है कि High Life Dubai is synonymous with high fashion, और season 5 में we showed you some of the best fashion shows this side of the Mediterranean. And being a true blue Desi girl, I always applaud Desi designers and their work. Nikhil and Shantanu are one of my favorite designers. देसी फैशन का चर्चा हो और मनीष मल्होत्रा का नाम ना हो, ये तो impossible है. Love chatting with him. He's filled with energy and creative madness, all the makings of a true genius. Manish, what's your collection all about?
Collection is right here actually. You're already wearing a beautiful sari. It's looking beautiful because you're wearing it.
One homegrown brand which I have grown to respect immensely is Splash. It has come a long way and there's no looking back.
High street retailers, so we basically map all the designs around the world, whatever is happening with the super designers. Basically, it is what we have mapped from various shows and various trade shows and the net and at various places.
And finally, the event of events in the Dubai fashion world is, of course, Dubai Fashion Week. I've always been a part of it as media, covering it for all of you. But this time, I played a dual role as I also showcase my own label, Pepper by Uma. And now for the second feature at Dubai, or rather the people of Dubai are known for looking and feeling your best. और कहा गया है कि the key to looking great is feeling great from within. And I also follow that. Looking after your skin, hair, diet is more important than you think. That's why I enjoyed meeting Rujuta Divekar, the celebrity nutritionist from Bollywood. When we had her on the show, she gave us some very valid tips for staying fit mentally, physically and emotionally.
I guess one of the things that I have noticed in a very short time in Dubai is that I find people drinking very little water than what they should be drinking. So a lot of it is dehydration. When your system is dehydrated, the number one thing that suffers is your fat metabolism.
Skin is said to be your best accessory, and my secret to good skin is good skin care. And of course, makeup is equally important. With that, there's hair care which people in Dubai especially should not miss out on due to the harsh quality of the water here. Another important part of looking great is dressing right, and all of you fashion followers in Dubai do a pretty good job of that. I love the fact that we have so much variety in terms of fashion brands and styles. One of the reasons why I love attending the prestigious equestrian competition Dubai World Cup is because I love watching the way people dress up and the efforts they put in to stand out in a crowd. And that rounds up the first two aspects of Dubai which we are best known for. यही दो aspects हैं जो हम इस शो के जरिए highlight करते रहते हैं. अब हम ले रहे हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. Don't forget that on High Life Dubai एक lucky winner जीत सकता है हमारा bumper bonanza prize, जो है एक fully paid 3-night vacation for 2 London में, courtesy Lama Holidays. Keep watching to find out if that lucky winner can be you. See you after the break. Coming up, the people and the events that rock our world. The glamour just never ends. But we have some successful personalities, mega celebrities, and the events that took Dubai by storm. So don't move an inch.